We're recording.
Okie dokie. It's June 23rd, 2022, about 7 p.m.-ish. What time is it?
It is 7:03.
7:03, thank you. 10 years ago this year, more for less changed my life when I got my scruffy fursuit. And all of a sudden the phrase, living your dreams, took on a whole new meaning for me. And today, 10 years later, after adventures aplenty and fun times galore, the tradition continues anew. Today, a new Scruffy has arrived. Let's open her up, see what we got.
Oh, I can already see the Toonie magic starting to leak out.
There's plenty of Toonie magic to go around.
Yes, there is!
Thank you, Roger.
Hey! Just run the blade on top.
Okay.
Careful.
No. Here we are. Ooh, it comes in plastic. Here we are. Ow. Oh, take this on real good, didn't I?
They want to keep it nice and safe and dry.
That's true. Ho ho ho!
Oh, it's beautiful!
Oh my god. What's this in here? Nom nom. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look at this.
I know. Take it all in, man. Take it all in, Foxy.
Hey look, the people's eyebrow.
And the Foxy's cooking pies.
Okay. Oh my god. It's like Scruffy's been reborn.
Toonier, fresher, more powerful.
Nom. Nom nom nom. Hey. Hey. How's it going?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, what's this in this goodie bag here that they sent me?
Open up and let's find out.
There's some stickers.
Some stickety sticks.
Synthwave.
Dope.
The wave. The forest. Oh, finally! I've always wanted one of these.
You've been one of the OG family members, and now this shows you're definitely mega OG, baby. What is this? What is this? What is this?
This is
Those are eyelids.
eyelids.
And a tongue.
A tongue. It's with Velcro.
Oh.
These are magnetized.
This tongue's removable, that's why. So you can switch it out so that way you can give it a different facial expression.
Okay. Let's see. Yuck. Let's see. There's a magnet in this end of the tongue. Where's the other one?
Is it on the other side of the face?
Ah, here it is.
Oh, there it is. Stick it up. It looks mighty tasty.
Mm-hmm. Someone say pizza?
Pizza.
Yeah. Well, these are the eyelids. Let's see which one's which.
I think they're actually meant to cover your eyes. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh.
Nice.
He looks sleepy. I think he needs a cup of coffee.
Okay, we also got a lanyard.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Some
Wristbands.
bands for the win.
Dope. A brushy McBrushy.
A brushy brush.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Ooh, a shirt. Oh, that's new.
A synthwave looking shirt.
Dope.
All right.
Exclusively for More for Less.
Oh my god.
Oh, but wait, there's more.
Feels like Christmas right now.
Dude, Christmas ain't got jack on this.
Come on.
Just tear it open.
Yeah.
If it is Christmas, you would have torn that thing open within 3 seconds. Whoa,
It's a tail.
one unit of a tail.
With its own attached belt. Come on.
Yep. Oh, that's to tighten it.
Nice.
So,
All right, here we go.
so it goes around your belly. Oh, you remove the top, and then afterwards you put the middle in. It's like when you use those little workout belts.
Uh-huh. Like this?
You want me to pause for a second?
Sure.
Right.
A few moments later.
Pausing.
I have a tail.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Tail.
Oh, turn around. Wiggle it, wiggle it.
Tail.
Woo! Whoop! What's this? Beans!
Beans.
Got that Pepto-Bismol pink.
All you Paw fans in the house say, hey!
Stumpity stump 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 stump.
And another one.
Another dose of beans. Buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get that one. Soft.
So soft beans.
Nope. Something else in here too. Come on. Come on, what we got? These are
Finger beanies.
hands.
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 Yes, Scruffy, that's your hand. Very good. Hey, I think there's more in here.
Oh,
Hello, what do we have here?
this. Some paper. Let's see. Over a decade of excellent performance, character, and inspiration, Scruffy is a monumental piece of more for less history. From ye old days such as the prancing skill tear to the bustling atmosphere of Biggest Little Fur Con, Scruffy has been an icon to us here at More for Less. As a testament to satisfying our community with durable fursuits, in addition to providing quality individuals like yourself with the means to spread joy, wonder, and touch the hearts of all around. Thank you, Scruffy, for giving us the opportunity all those years ago to be part of such a wonderful character. Within this box, a token of our appreciation, a digitigrade bodysuit to further enhance your character, to continue to spread joy and wonder. Here's to another decade and more. With much love, the More for Less team. And they signed it.
Biggest stand, joints. Say thank you.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Now let's reveal.
Whoa.
Ooh, it even comes with its own little sealing bag. Cool. Open up like it was a brand new deck of Pokemon cards.
I got it. I can do this. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, let me grab the other end. Pull.
Oh my god.
Dang, baby.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, I must. Oh, I think that's the padding.
Nice. Yeah.
It is the padding. Cool.
Alright.
Alright, gonna take a quick intermission so that way he can put on this bad boy.
One eternity later.
And here he is, Scruffy 2.0. Give us a little turnaround. How does it feel, Foxy?
Oh my god, it feels amazing.
Anything you have to say to the people?
I'm so happy to be more for less. Oh my god.
Mm. What it's like to hug a brand new More for Less suitor. On a scale of 1 to 1,000,000, how does this feel?
Yes.
The scale don't even matter at this point. Yes, yes, yes. Nice. Alright, and kill.